how's the tickets going and stuff like that?
Well, they're selling well. They're selling fast now. Saturday, Friday, looking good.
Running in the by-election in Dublin
do,
Central.
yes.
Okay. And what do you think you'll do differently this time around?
They'd be similar to the last time, but there'll be a few extra things, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, you didn't get any transfers last time. That was a big issue for you. What have you done in that regard? You reached out to a lot of
we have it covered, yeah.
You're not worried about the Sinn Féin threat?
It is what it is. Win, lose or draw. A lot of people from where I come from don't really go to theatre, and hopefully they will now to see Rex, and maybe they will because they think the story is from their part of town. Well, it's good. It's good for theatre.
And it's whatever about all this noise around the play, let's take it down to its essence. It's the story of a man, and the play itself takes in all facets of the person, good and bad. That's what a play should do. A play isn't to judge. The audience has to make their own judgment. It's not my job to judge. It's my job, if I'm doing any sort of decent job as an artist, it's my job to present someone as I truthfully see them. And as well, this is a work of fiction, and it's a large Dublin story as well. I wish that I could tell you something sensational about the original Running Glass Mask, that people did come and say, I found that to be one-sided, or they were provoked to a degree where they were incensed. But actually, I can only tell you what the truth was, and it was overwhelmingly positive from anyone who saw the play. And I did stay around and talk to the audiences afterwards, and there were people from everywhere, really all walks of life, and I'm sure they had made decisions or had preconceived notions, as we all do, before they came in. But I did feel just a drop of judgment and a different energy after the show. So no, I don't think it's a glorification. I think it's an honest representation of a person and their life.